Welcome to the AR world. You all must have seen the origami and craft work of Master Rakshita, who is our craft expert. And now it is my turn to show my artwork to you all through this interesting scenery. And this is one of the best paintings of mine. So now I will be telling you how to make it beautifully and color it nicely. Let's start. For making a perfect scenery, we need watercolor cakes. I have the DOMS packet. You can also buy and then start coloring. We need oil pastels and I have a paintbrush inside it. Now let me open it. Okay. So it looks like this. And a bowl as you all know filled with water. Now first of all, for a perfect scenery we have to make the sun, as we all know. So how are we going to, let's see. For making a sun, do it like this. Make a curve. I have made a curve and then raise. Most of the people make vertical rays. I would prefer to make curve rays like this. What is the benefit? Your scenery would look even more beautiful. Now the next thing is the clouds. How are we going to make the clouds? In a very neat way. See my cloud. And second one, do it like this. It looks natural, okay? It gives a natural effect. After making the clouds, we have to make a beautiful tree. So now let us start making the tree. I have made the tree like this, and now you can just make the ground like this, so it looks beautiful. See, we don't have to participate in any competition, so our drawing should look natural. Even my drawing is not that much good, but still I'm trying my best. Okay, now next thing is a beautiful hut. Okay, so first a triangle like this. Okay. This is the door, windows, roof. And this is my decoration symbol. So you can make this for your decoration as per your choice. Okay, now next thing, we can make birds flying like this. Like these three birds are flying, so it looks decorative. Now you can just shade a bit so that it can look more beautiful. When we'll color, it would look even more gorgeous. Okay. Okay, I'm assuming that it is an apple tree. So apples are here. Our drawing should always look natural, okay? And it should be liked by us. The biggest thing. We should be satisfied. Okay, next thing, the children. Okay, so here I'm starting. Okay, a small boy. Okay, so like this, such a cute boy I have made who's just imagining, enjoying the nature. Okay, so I have made these children and with their grandma outside the house enjoying, and you can make the bushes. Now it is the time for coloring. Okay, so I have opened this, my small pretty brush. Now first I am taking the black color. I am taking the black color, and now slowly we have to make the background. Okay, so like this I can make the background, or you can say the border of each one. And now let us start with our coloring. See, what I would recommend, that color the sun yellow and orange both, like I am coloring. Okay, I have done yellow, now orange. Again yellow. It will give, and then red. Okay, light, light, light. It would give a better effect on your drawing. Okay, and the rays, orange, orange rays. Clouds would be painted grey. With purple, light purple. So it is looking that the sun is burning, and these clouds. And tree, we all know it would be painted green. So where is my green? It is here. See, while painting a tree, you should make these curves like this I am making. Now dark green, then much. Okay, so it is looking quite natural, we all can see. Now I am coloring the sky as blue. Okay, so we are making. Okay, so we have the crayons to color the grandma and children. For the grass, I am doing green color. I am just about to complete. I have colored the sky as blue and the grass as green. And I have tried to give as many natural effects as I can on my drawing. I am painting the soil as brown. Now let us modify it by improving, like I am shading. Okay, now I think that it should dry up. Let us wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes are done, and now my painting, my beautiful scenery is totally ready. You all can see it. I will show you. Here are the children and the sun. Look at it. Look at the effect of blue color, of green color of the children. We can easily see the children. I have darkened them, and then this grandma, these children, and this hut. It is looking like a very, you can say the poor people live here, like that kind of hut. And this green, as if the grass is there, and this tree, look at it. And the sun, as I told you, it looks beautiful. Clouds and the birds and everything that a beautiful scenery should have. And hence we can easily prove that this scenery is not the best, but still it is just a try to show the skills of it. And Rakshita would be taking the craft and I will be taking the art. So this is my first art. Rakshita has shown 3 of her crafts. If you have not seen, the link would be given in the description box. I hope you like this drawing and you would follow this and make more beautiful drawing than it. And do send me the pics on WhatsApp or any other medium which you would like. I can just take your pics, okay, through the comment box. Okay, thank you.